Hey, ever wondered how some small businesses seem to explode overnight? I'm talking about doubling, tripling, even quadrupling their sales. The secret sauce? Digital marketing. And today, I'm breaking it down for you. First up, social media. You can't ignore it. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn aren't just for selfies or networking anymore. They're powerful tools for reaching your target audience. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and use ads to boost your reach. Next, let's talk about content marketing. Blogs, videos, podcasts, content is king. Sharing valuable, relevant content not only helps establish you as an authority in your field, but also drives organic traffic to your website. It's a win-win. SEO or search engine optimization is your best friend. Imagine this. You run a bakery and someone types best cupcakes in town into Google. You want them to find you, right? Good SEO practices ensure your website ranks high in search results. Use keywords, optimize your site speed, and make sure your content is top-notch. Email marketing. Don't underestimate the power of a good email campaign. Build a list of loyal customers, offer them exclusive deals, and keep them updated with newsletters. Personalization is key here. Make them feel special. Paid advertising? It's an investment, not an expense. Google ads, Facebook ads, even LinkedIn ads can give you a significant return on investment when done right. Target your ads carefully, track the results, and tweak your strategy as needed. Now, let's touch on analytics. You've got to measure what matters. Tools like Google Analytics can provide insights into what's working and what's not. Use this data to optimize your campaigns and make informed decisions. Lastly, don't forget about collaboration. Partner with influencers or other businesses in your niche. Cross-promotion can open up new audiences you wouldn't have reached otherwise. So there you have it. The basics of digital marketing that can skyrocket your sales. It's not magic, it's method. Dive in, experiment, and watch your business grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what digital marketing strategies you're excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling.